All right, guys, Honda Civic 2022 and up. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to take out this dome light right here, and then this cover right here. Take those out. What we're gonna do is, I'm taking this out because of the headliner is shot right here. All the handles out. So quick video. Let's show you take this thing out quickly. All right, so the tools you need is pretty much like this trim tool right here, this flat trim tools. I took this out already. So I'm gonna show you guys the quickest way. So basically, put a trim tool right here on this side, and the same thing on this side. When you pull those out, there's nothing on the front right here. It's just flat, solid. So you can see this thing that holds this dome light is just push pin retainer on the front. That's it. That's it, guys. There's nothing else. So just pop those off right here with the trim tool. And then on this side right here, you're gonna have to take out this front piece right here, split them in half. Okay, so this is out already, so I'm gonna quickly show you. There you go, look at that, it just pops right out. So I'm just gonna quickly show you this here. It looks like this from before. There's tabs right here, 1, 2, and 3. So just pull that off and then split together apart. This tabs right here in the corner, it goes to that hole right there. Same thing on the other side. I broke that one already, you can see. So when that piece is out, this piece right here, there's tabs right here on the front. We're just gonna use that trim tool again and then pop it off, and that would expose the inside of this thing. You can see right there, that's the tabs right there, and there's a tabs right there. That's what's hold this thing up. Okay, and then the front piece, it will slide on the slot right there. That's it, guys. That's how you take out this dome light or MapLight on your 22 Honda Civic. This is a LX model, so on the touring and sports is different. I see a lot of video of the other one with the little holder right here for your sunglasses. This one is just basic. And then if you're curious, if you want to take this thing out, basically you just have to like turn this thing down to the driver's side, and then this will come out like that. See, there you go. Just 4 tabs right there, plastic metal tabs. There's 4 of them, and then it just goes right there. And then when you line it up, turn it to the passenger side like this, and then it will lock in place. Okay, that's it. That's how you take out this piece right here, the rear view mirror, and then this dome light. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.